So within just 2 minutes, let's explore a working trick to get Amazon Prime for absolutely free. Yes, it works absolutely for everyone. And for that purpose, you have to go to Google or Safari or any other browser that you use. Keep in mind that I am on my mobile, but it works absolutely the same on PC or laptop too. And after going to Google, you have to search here Amazon Prime and hit the search button. Now you have to make sure that you are already logged out of Amazon Prime. And if you are not logged out, you can simply go to your incognito browser and search the same thing here, which is Amazon Prime. This will keep you logged out of your Amazon account if you have already the one. And after that, you have to scroll through this page and here you get an option Amazon Prime. So you got to tap onto that. And after that, when you are redirected to its home page, you get an option Join Prime. So you have to hop into Join Prime, and next it will ask you to create a new account. Even if you already have an Amazon account, but you still have to create a new account. So first of all, you have to write your first and last name, the email address that you have not used before for creating an Amazon account, and a password which will be used for logging into your Amazon account. And simply tap on create your Amazon account after filling in all the details. Next, it will ask you to solve a puzzle. It is asking me to choose the hairs, which are my always favorite, and I got it wrong. This is the one here. And let's confirm again. Oh, this time it's asking for the beds. I don't know why it's not accepting me. The buckets, and here we have selected them all. And we have got the success message. Now it will send you a security code on your email address. And now if I open it, then I have to simply copy that code and paste it here. Next, it will ask me from a mobile number. You have to first select the country code and enter your mobile number and press add mobile number. And it's not working for my mobile number yet, but what you have to do is when you add your mobile number on this page and you are redirected to the next one, it will give you an option for the free trial of Amazon Prime. And when you continue on that page, it will ask you for your bank details. You have to simply enter your bank card details, but the trick here is your card won't be charged for 1 month because Amazon Prime is providing a free trial of 1 month. And what you have to do is before ending this 1 month, you have to simply cancel the free trial and purchase the free trial again from another account. And that's how you keep watching Amazon Prime for absolutely free. Thank you so much.